Okay, three blocks of ice cubes were left on the table at the same time. So A, B, and C. The only difference I'm able to observe are their sizes. Now, which one of the following statements about the ice cubes is correct? So C has the lowest temperature. Now, an ice cube is usually below zero, but we can't really tell what the temperatures are. Okay, this could easily be anything below zero. So could this one be anything below zero? So this one could be anything below zero. So we can't really tell which one is the lowest temperature. It is not true that the smallest ice cube would have the lowest temperature, just like a small of coffee and a large pool of water for swimming doesn't mean that the smaller one has lesser temperature. Coffee can be much hotter than the large swimming pool, right? So the size of the ice cube does not tell the temperature of the ice. It could basically be that A, B, and C all has very similar temperature. Okay, so A, let's look at option 2A is at lower temperature than B. Again, we can't tell. Okay, B has the highest rate of coolness. Again, we can't tell. And C at option 4, C has the same temperature as both A and B, which is probably so. Alright, so given that we can only infer from three ice cubes okay left on the table, the probability that all three ice cubes have the same temperature is very high. So in my opinion, that's an ice cube in room temperature is an ice cube in room temperature. That means the ice cube within, if you take a data logger and put it inside here, it is maybe slightly below zero, slightly below zero, and slightly below zero. The difference is perhaps C would take a shorter time to melt and B takes a longer time to melt, but when it comes to temperature, they are all the same. Likewise, B could take a greater amount of heat to melt because it's bigger, alright, than C. C would require a lesser amount of heat to melt completely because it's smaller. But when it comes to temperature, all of the three ice cubes should be the same. Okay, with that, it's very easy. It's a very easy question. Look at it and make the necessary options.